everybody, I've made yet another Streamelements extension. Today I am going to show you how to have a singing thing going on to take any text and turn it into a song. If you've watched one of these videos before, you know I will be making a new overlay. This step is optional, but I am just doing it for the sake of completeness. Then we'll go in and we will add a custom widget and we will open up the editor. Now you will go to github.com/swolecat/se-widgets and you will be going today into the singing TTS. So now we will start copying files over. And that's it. So now by default the command is sing. It will choose a random song. I think there's 5 in there to sing. You can put in some banned words. You can limit it to who can participate. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this Streamelements widget. If you liked it or found any bugs, let me know. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.